In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passkey for your Google account. This process enhances the security of your account by adding an additional layer of protection, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access. It's a straightforward process that we can complete in just a few minutes, so let's get started. First off, we want to navigate to Google. Open your preferred web browser and type in google.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner where you'll see the sign in button. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account credentials. If you already have your account set to log in automatically, you might not see this option and proceed directly to your Google account page. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll want to head over to your Google account home. You can find this by either clicking on your profile picture at the top right and selecting Manage Your Google Account, or by typing myaccount.google.com into your browser's address bar. This page is the central hub for managing your account settings, privacy, and security. Now, on the left sidebar, you'll see various options, but for today, we want to focus on security. Click on the Security tab, and you'll be directed to a page that outlines your account's security status. This page shows various security settings and any recent security activities. For the next step, scroll down until you find the section labeled Passkeys and Security Keys. These are tools that can significantly boost your account's defense against unauthorized access by providing an extra layer of authentication. Once you find this section, click on it to proceed. After clicking into the Passkeys and Security Keys section, you'll find options for setting up a new passkey. Follow the prompts to create your passkey. This will involve some verification steps to ensure it's you making these changes and might require you to have a compatible device or browser. Google might guide you through pairing a physical security key if you wish to use one, or using on-device biometrics like fingerprint scanning or facial recognition as part of the passkey setup process. And just like that, you've successfully set up a passkey for your Google account. This additional security measure will help keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Remember, while passkeys greatly enhance security, you should still follow other security practices like using strong, unique passwords and being cautious with sharing information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in securing your digital world. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.